Hi Nursery! This week we're learning all about where different insects live, and today I'm going to talk to you about spiders, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own spider's web at home. You can make your spider's web using spaghetti and glue. Take a strand of spaghetti and snap it in half. Then put some glue onto the paper and stick it down. Keep sticking lots of spaghetti down onto the paper and ask your grown-up to help you to make the right shapes. Then, when it's finished, you can draw a little spider in the middle. Spiders make webs like these by spinning silk threads from their tummies. They use them to catch their food, like flies. Have a go at making a spider web at home. If you don't have spaghetti, you can use string, or you can even draw one with crayons.